Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Psych E-Pathshala. Go to our channel homepage and click on the subscribe button. And to get notified for our future videos, click on the bell icon and choose the all option. To answer daily quiz on psychology, search for Psych E-Pathshala on Facebook and like our page. So let's start this video. In this video, we will be discussing about nervous system. The nervous system is a network of cells that carries information to and from all parts of the body. Nervous system consists of neural mechanisms that conduct and transmit nerve impulse or information and carry messages throughout the body. The nervous system can be classified in three types, which are: number 1, peripheral nervous system or PNS. Peripheral nervous system consists of fibers of sensory and motor neurons and forming a channel that carries information to and from the central nervous system or CNS. As you can see in the picture, the peripheral nervous system consists of all the sensory, motor and mixed nerves that go out of the brain and spinal cord. This nervous system is spread throughout the body. The central and most significant part of nervous system is the central nervous system, which consists of brain and spinal cord. They recognize and transform some of the information that we receive from the peripheral nervous system. Autonomic nervous system is another type of nervous system. They consist of many nerves leading from the brain and spinal cord to the smooth muscles and various organs of the body like heart, glands, blood vessels, etc. The important thing to know is that autonomic nervous system is a subsystem of peripheral nervous system. The other type of peripheral nervous system is the somatic nervous system, which is in our voluntary control, unlike the autonomic nervous system, which works on its own. Our entire nervous system, including brain, spinal cord, cranial and spinal nerves and peripheral ganglia, is covered by a tough connective tissue. This protective sheath around the CNS is referred to as the meninges. The meninges consists of three layers, namely dura mater, the outermost part of the meninges, which is tough and flexible. The second layer is arachnoid mater. It is the middle layer of the meninges, located between the outer dura mater and inner pia mater. The innermost layer of the meninges is pia mater that clings to the surface of the brain. It is very thin and delicate. As you can see from the picture, the meninges is spread between our skull and the brain. This protects our brain from any physical damage. The peripheral nervous system is covered only with dura and pia mater. There is no arachnoid mater available in the peripheral nervous system. Another important feature of the nervous system is the cerebrospinal fluid or CSF. Cerebrospinal fluid is a modified tissue fluid present in the ventricles, spinal canal and subarachnoid space, thus bathing the entire nervous system. The characteristics of cerebrospinal fluid are: it is clear, it is colorless, it is transparent fluid, it does not coagulate on standing, and it is alkaline in nature. The cerebrospinal fluid contains glucose, protein, lactic acid, urea, certain positive ions like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and certain negative ions like chloride and hydrogen nitride ions. There is about 150 ml of cerebrospinal fluid present in an adult human's nervous system. Cerebrospinal fluid serves certain functions. It is a mechanical buffer, meaning it prevents from any physical vibration and damage to the brain. It is a protection of the central nervous system. It gives a certain kind of cushioning to our brain and our spinal cord from inside. It acts as a regulating reservoir, which means the neurotransmitters and certain important hormonal molecules propagate through the CSF. It acts as an exchange medium, meaning it receives nutrients from the blood and transfers toxins and excretory materials from the brain to the blood. It also provides nutrition and oxygen supply to the nerve cells. As earlier mentioned, CSF provides nutrition and oxygen to the brain, and there is almost no connection of blood with the brain. This is because of the blood-brain barrier present in our nervous system. The blood-brain barrier is a layer of specialized membranes and cell processes designed to keep undesirable substances from passing from the bloodstream into the precious tissue of the brain. While the blood-brain barrier does keep most bad things out of the central nervous system, it is not impermeable. Certain molecules are able to get past the blood-brain barrier, such as the glucose and the oxygen that is so important to the brain's survival. Certain cells, such as macrophages, which are important in fighting infections, can also pass through the blood-brain barrier. There are regions where the blood-brain barrier is naturally absent. Examples include the area posterema, the region of the brain that detects toxins in the blood and signals a nauseous response, including vomiting. Another example is the pituitary gland, where important hormones are secreted directly from the brain into the bloodstream. The functions of nervous system are: it keeps us informed about the outside world through the sense organs. It enables us to remember, think, and to reason out. It controls our voluntary muscular activities like running, speaking, etc. It regulates several involuntary activities such as breathing, beating of the heart, movement of food through the food canal, etc. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Click on the circle to subscribe to our channel. Click on the boxes to watch other videos on our channel. Like this video and share it with your friends.